नमस्कार मित्रांनो, इंग्रजीमध्ये प्रभावी संभाषण करण्याची इच्छा बाळगणाऱ्या प्रशिक्षणार्थींसाठी इंग्रजी भाषा कौशल्ये विकसित करण्यावर आधारित उपक्रम सादर करताना आम्हाला आनंद होत आहे. आम्हाला आशा आहे की प्रशिक्षणार्थींनी या उपक्रमांचा सातत्याने सराव केला तर ते अस्खलित इंग्लिश बोलू शकतील व ते निश्चितपणे त्यांच्या करिअरच्या उभारणीत कायमचा ठसा उमटवण्यास सक्षम होतील. तर आता आपण पहिल्या युनिटमध्ये महाविद्यालयात आयोजित होणाऱ्या वार्षिक सामाजिक मेळाव्याची इंग्लिश संभाषणाच्या दृष्टीने काही उद्दिष्टे जाणून घेऊया. वार्षिक सामाजिक मेळावा आणि क्रीडा यासारख्या विविध कार्यक्रमांच्या सहभाग प्रक्रियेबद्दल चौकशी कशी करायची ह्या सिच्युएशन्समध्ये दिलेले आहे. चित्रकला, अंताक्षरी, क्रीडा, निबंधलेखन यासारख्या विविध स्पर्धांच्या सहभागाची प्रक्रिया आणि निकालाची चौकशी आणि चर्चा कशी करावी हेही तुम्हाला या सिच्युएशन्समध्ये बघायला मिळेल. वार्षिक सामाजिक मेळाव्यात विद्यार्थ्यांचा उत्साही सहभाग, खेळ, विद्यार्थ्यांना आत्मविश्वास आणि योग्य वृत्ती बाळगण्यासाठी प्रवृत्त करणे यासारख्या सहभागींच्या कामगिरीवर आपले मत कसे मांडावे आणि त्यांची प्रतिभा कशी सिद्ध करावी हेही तुम्हाला या सिच्युएशन्समध्ये बघायला मिळेल. फॉर्म मिळण्याची, जमा करण्याची वेळ, तारीख आणि शेवटची तारीख, कोर्सची फी संरचना, पेमेंट पद्धत आणि निवास सुविधा या संदर्भात प्रवेश अर्जांच्या उपलब्धतेबद्दल ऑफिसमध्ये चौकशी कशी करावी हेही आपल्याला दिसून येईल. शेवटी साऱ्या प्रसंगांचे काटेकोरपणे श्रवण केल्यावर प्रशिक्षणार्थींनी विविध प्रसंगांचे संवाद लिहिण्याचा आणि रोल प्ले रूपात बोलण्याचा सराव करणे अपेक्षित आहे.
Annual social gathering and admission. Objectives. In this unit, you will learn to inquire about the participation procedure for the various events, to discuss the result of the various competitions, to give your opinion on the performance of the participants, to inquire about the admission procedure, to ask about the fee structure for the aided and unaided courses. Situations for practice. Situation 1.
I have just seen the notice board. There is a Rangoli competition in our campus. I'm going to participate in it. What about you?
How nice! Even I would like to participate in Rangoli competition. Is there any entry fee?
I don't think so. It is not mentioned anywhere.
Come on, let's enroll our names to the student in charge.
Yes, let us go. I'm very excited about this competition. I love drawing colorful Rangoli.
I too enjoy this activity very much.
Situation 2.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you know when the annual social gathering of our institute is?
I think it is in the first week of January as usual, but students have already started practicing for the various events. What have you planned to do?
I am planning to do a dance performance with my friends. Would you also like to participate? I know you're very good at dancing.
That's great idea. I would love to join your dance group. So when should we meet to discuss and finalize the details?
We'll meet today in the afternoon in the canteen.
Okay, we'll have fun. Bye.
Bye.
Situation 3.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm going to participate in Antakshari competition.
That's great. But have you enrolled your name with the student in charge?
Yes, I have. Would you also like to participate in Antakshari competition? I know you sing well.
Although I'm good at singing, I do not have the confidence to face the college crowd.
It is just the initial nervousness. With practice, you'll be very confident. Come on, let's enroll your name to the student representative.
But what if I do not perform well?
Come on, no one is professional here. We all are beginners. Let's not think about winning or losing. Antakshari is not fun.
All right. If you say so, I would like to participate.
That's right attitude.
Situation 4.
Do you know who is the student in charge of the drawing competition?
Yes, she is Miss Pallavi Mani from Civil Engineering 3rd year. Do you want to participate in drawing competition?
Yes, I want to enroll my name with the student representative. What about the drawing sheets and the drawing material? Does the institute provide it or do we have to bring it for ourselves?
I think only the drawing sheets will be provided by the institute and rest of the coloring material should be brought by the participants.
Do the organizers give any theme or topic for the sketches to be drawn?
I have no idea. You will have to contact student representative and find out the details. Well, all the best for the competition.
Thanks a lot.
Situation 5.
Is attendance compulsory for the annual social gathering?
It is not compulsory, but still it is the most awaited event of the year. Students are present in large number.
Mostly, the first year students who stay in hostels go back to their hometowns during the 1 week of the gathering activity.
Otherwise, they enjoy this event very much.
Yes, I know. They participate in it very enthusiastically.
They even work hard for this event.
I think it refreshes them and is also the most memorable event of the year.
Situation 6.
Today is the selection round of the Antakshari competition.
How nice! At what time?
It is at 4 p.m. in the Impact Hall. We'll all go there to enjoy ourselves.
Yes, surely. But are only the participants allowed there or we are also allowed there?
Everyone is allowed. There is lots of fun there.
Situation 7.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Come, let us practice for the forthcoming sports week in our institute. In what events are you going to participate?
I like athletics very much. I'm going to participate in 100-meter running and long jump. What about you?
I like badminton and cricket. I practice regularly on the ground.
Okay, bye. See you.
See you.
Situation 8.
A notice of essay writing competition is put up on the notice board. Are you interested in participating in the essay writing competition?
Yes, I'm going to register my name with the SIA by today evening. I love to write essays on current events and social problems.
Nice.
Situation 9.
Excuse me, may I know when will the sale of diploma forms begin?
The sale of diploma forms will begin from next Monday.
And what is the timings?
The timings will be from 10:30 am to 5 pm with 1 hour lunch break from 1 pm to 2 pm.
And what is the last date of submission of filled forms?
The last date of submission is 11th July till 5 pm.
Situation 10.
Excuse me, may I know the fee structure for aided and unaided courses?
Yes, it's already displayed on the notice board.
Do you accept the fee in cash or by credit card?
We accept only demand drafts drawn in favor of Principal, CWIT, Pune.
Is there any accommodation facility for the girls in the institute?
Yes, we have a girls' hostel in the campus itself, but the seats are quite limited. So if you don't get admission over there, you have to manage on your own.
Okay, thank you very much for the information.
My pleasure.
Language study. Annual social. Sentences for practice.
When is the annual social gathering?
What is the most likely date?
How many events and activities are there in the annual social gathering?
Who is the professor in charge of singing competition?
I want to participate in the essay writing competition. With whom should I enroll my name?
I want to watch the selection round of Antakshari. Students enjoy this event very much.
Our group wants to perform a drama. We have already started practicing for it. When is the final selection round?
Last time, our dance was not selected for the final program. This time, we want to try again.
Today is the final selection for quiz. If I am selected, I will try my level best.
There are only 10 entries for the Rangoli competition. They are all first year students.
Tomorrow is the prize distribution ceremony. I will get 3 prizes. Who is the chief guest this time?
My parents and friends will also come to see the prize distribution function.
Are outsiders allowed to come for the gathering?
Is attendance compulsory for the students during gathering?
Attendance is not compulsory, but still it is the favorite event of the year for the students. Most students are present in large numbers.
Language study. Admission. Sentences for practice.
When will the sale of diploma forms begin?
How much does the form for open category cost?
Will you please help me in filling this form?
What documents should I attach with the form?
Do I have to pay any money while submitting this form?
When is the last round of admission? When is the first round of admission?
What is the last date of submitting this form?
I cannot submit the creamy layer certificate right now. Will you please give me the extension of time limit? I will submit it in 8 days.
I do not have my original mark sheet with me right now. May I submit a photocopy of it? I will submit the original mark sheet tomorrow.
I do not have a gap certificate. From where do I get it? Will you please tell me the procedure for getting a gap certificate?
I have lost my 10th standard mark sheet. What do I do now? Will you please guide me?
I have passed intermediate drawing exam, but as yet I have not received the certificate from my school.
I passed out 3 years back.
If 2 students have same marks, do you consider the achievements in sports and extracurricular activities?
Can I get admission in computer branch with these marks? What do you feel?
If the reserved category students are not available, will their seats be filled in from the open category students?
How many aided and unaided courses are available in this institute?
May I know the fee structure for aided and unaided courses?
Is there a good hostel in this institute? What is the procedure for getting admission in a hostel?
When will the first year classes begin?
Are there any payment seats in this institute? Do you accept donation?
I have come from Solapur. I know I am late by 1 hour. Will you please accept my admission form now? I will be very grateful to you.
I have forgotten my original documents at home. Please permit me to submit my original documents tomorrow.
Is there any good accommodation facility for girls near the institute?
आम्ही आशा करतो की आपण लक्षपूर्वक या युनिटचा सराव केला आहे व आत्मविश्वासाच्या दिशेने आपले पहिले पाऊल पडले आहे यात तिळमात्र शंका नाही. आपल्याला हे पहिले युनिट कसे वाटले हे कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये लिहायला विसरू नका व चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. धन्यवाद.